Peace, lovies. It's Amira, also known as Blissfully Mindful. Today we will be chit-chatting. I'm going to make a quiche and we're going to do a DIY project with me, so stay tuned.
You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
Peace, lovies. It's Amira, also known as Blissfully Mindful. So today I am going to be working on this DIY project. I have never done this before. I'm going to show you this table. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint black because I don't know if you can see all of the damage, but it's like really damaged. And besides that, it just doesn't match what's going on in here. So yeah, I'm about to try to paint this, and I have this. I don't know anything about this, y'all, so we are gonna find out what happens. Okay, if it doesn't work, then I'll buy some more products to fix it. But I'm going to use this. It says it's a paint and primer all in one. So yeah, that's how I'm going to do this tabletop. I have the sandpaper here. And so yeah, I'm going to get started. So I guess obviously, as you can see, the table is still put together. So I have to disassemble it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. wiped it down. So I assume this is the next logical step. Ew, what is that? I should have had gloves on. I don't know. Okay, here goes. Thank you so much for joining me for today. I just wanted to do a quick chit chat, just a brief chit chat. I'm not going to get all deep because I'm actually about to head out to grab a bite. Trying to do something for my daughter's birthday. This is so crazy because, you know, stuff's closed and it's just so but you know, the restaurants opened, well, for outdoor seating where I live, so we're gonna try. I made a reservation. Hopefully it works out. So we're gonna go see what we can see, okay, there, and hopefully that works out because this is just getting to be so very annoying. This whole little situation. Yeah, so oh my gosh, you all, have you all been noticing, like, I don't know how much YouTube you all watch, but it's just, well, it's not even YouTube, it's just period, you know, in the world, and just lots of relationship problems and stuff like that. And I guess you would anticipate that with us all being kind of cooped up together so long, so much in one space, and not really getting that me time that we all need and stuff. So it's been interesting, but I don't know. I mean, I don't live alone, so I guess I've just been able to make the emotional adjustment and whatnot, so haven't really been experiencing that so much. But other things I have been experiencing, like the mood sometimes, like, well, I guess it just happened once since this happened, but just gotten this real slump about just not feeling like I'm where I want to be in my life right now, and oh, you know, things are just not manifesting, and I'm doing everything right and nothing is working and whatnot. So I had to call my son for some counsel because he's like my life coach. Yeah, so I called my son for some counsel. He always gives me very wise, very good counsel. So, you know, and he was just saying that you gotta, it's the law of polarity, it's the law of rhythm, you know, failure and success is all really the same thing. Well, I guess that's kind of what I kind of what I kind of gather from it, but definitely success, failure is all the same thing, just varying in degree, you know, but it's just all energy, and it's the same energy. Obviously failure is the lower end of the frequency pole, and you know, success is the higher end, and the law of rhythm is just always swinging that pendulum, you know. And so right now I guess I've been feeling like that pendulum is swinging. It's like it's stuck and suspended in failure, you know, and it's just not swinging over to that success side. And I'm like, what the heck, you know, like, what is going on? And I mean, I just had to really marinate on it just after even talking to him and just seeing, you know, for myself. And one thing I did realize was what I've been seeing is that I think, and we all probably do it, just sort of beat up on ourselves a bit. And we're not here to be perfect, you know, and when we look at our lives and we feel like, you know, we failed at this, or we just haven't succeeded at the other things and stuff like that, or, you know, we haven't realized enough successes. And what is that, you know? Because it doesn't really work that way, you know. It's a perception, and it's not about, oh, just think positive thoughts and it's going to happen, because that's, you know, like, really, yeah, there's way more to it than that. That's not going to happen. Just saying mantras to yourself isn't going to happen. Isn't going to work either. It's a I don't know, it's a whole bunch of stuff, you know, all together. And it's not about being perfect, because a lot of times when we look at failure, we look at that as an imperfection. And we look at the successes as a perfection, you know, and there is no perfection. We didn't come here to be perfect. We didn't come here as we came here as imperfect beings to grow and expand, you know, and not even to grow and expand into perfection. That's not what it's about, you know. It's just about the perception of what it is, period, you know. And if we were to look at failure and not look at it as such a negative, look at it as, okay, there's many roads, there's limitless, you know, the universe is infinite, so you will never run out of roads. So all a failure says is, okay, you took that road, that wasn't the road, that didn't work, okay, we'll go this route instead. Change your GPS, go this other route, okay, that didn't work, okay, cool. You will never run out of road. Like, the road will keep on showing up for you, another one and another one and another one, until you get to the right one. One of them's got to work. One's got to work, at least one. You know, you're in a universe of infinite possibilities, and there is no way in the world that no single road is going to work. Like, that's not going to happen, you know. And so it's about the perception and about keeping the focus there, knowing that one of the roads is going to work, you know. And so why get so down? So when you feel yourself getting down, you can always bring yourself back up, just reminding yourself of that. And so that's one thing I kind of got out of my conversation with him. And then just the whole perfection thing, because I tend to be a bit of a perfectionist. And so just to not just think that everything is supposed to fit into this little box that you created in your mind about the way it's supposed to happen. You know, is more exciting for it to be unknown? Like, wouldn't it be boring if everything happened exactly the way you wanted it to happen, when you wanted it? How boring. There's nothing to look forward to. There's so much to look forward to when it's the unknown. You really don't know how it's going to turn out. You know, you go in there and you're so excited, and even if you're going in there and you're a little timid and you're a little scared, it doesn't matter. The unknown is still so deliciously beautiful. It's like, I don't know, for me it's like a roller coaster ride. Like, it's just that, you know, when it's going up and that anticipation about when it's going to go down, but you really, because they slow it down so much, you're not sure when it's going to hit that downturn. You're not sure, so you just anticipate. That is the beauty of all of it. The beauty of failure is just that. You don't know when it's going to turn around for you. Like, you really have no idea. It could be at any second. You don't know. It could be a long ways out. It could be right around the corner. Who knows? But at the same time, just living in the moment of what it is and having appreciation for your growth there, because each failure is an opportunity for growth. And so if that road didn't work, well, what did you learn along the way of that road that is going to prepare you even more for when you get to the road that is the right road? Obviously, you didn't go that so-called wrong road for no reason. It was necessary, and you needed that to build upon whatever it is you need for something down the road, another road, you know, later on. So that's what I've learned. Just sharing that little tidbit, because being cooped up in here all this time to think, and sometimes those thoughts start going somewhere they don't need to go, and then next thing you know, you're in this like emotional slump. And for what? So just to keep yourself, your spirits up, to keep yourself not going in that slump, just wanted to share that with you all, hoping it could help someone else out there, because I'm sure I'm not the only one whose thoughts are going in these crazy places, especially looking at like relationships and stuff that's happening. Maybe we might chat about that next week. But anyway, you all comment below on how things have been going for you, if you've been experiencing anything like this with your situation at home, and you know, just your thoughts just wandering where they probably don't need to go, and in leaving you feeling like, oh, you know, feeling all yucky and crappy, and like, you know, life sucks and stuff. Like, so just comment below on how it goes, and let's get this video to at least 12 likes. And I will continue to check in, I'll try to do some more check-ins where I'm sharing, you know, what's going on in this nugget of mine, because there's always stuff going on. So I will try to do more of those, and I'll see you all next time. Go by my blog at blissfullymindful.life. Check it out. I have been writing some good. I've been doing a lot of writing on there about what's going on in this nugget over there. So definitely, you want to know what's going on, that's where to go. blissfullymindful.life. Also, follow me over on Instagram at blissfully.mindful. If you have not already done so, you all subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. It helps my channel out. Especially when you hit that like button, when you comment, when you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, all that good stuff. It really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. Definitely helps my channel to grow, and helps YouTube to know that you enjoy the content, so that they show it and don't hide it and show it to more people who it may help as well. So I really appreciate it if you all do that for me. I love you bunches and bunches and bunches. I'm about, oh my God, it's thundering, and I'm supposed to go to this restaurant and eat outside, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. But anyway, I will see you all next time. Sunflower smooches, peace and love. I love you, love you, love you, love you bunches. Mwah.